Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. Are the volume buttons on your iPhone not responding when you press them? Maybe the volume won't go up or down, or the buttons feel completely unresponsive. This can be frustrating, especially when you are trying to adjust the sound during a call, video, or while listening to music. The good news is that, in most cases, this issue can be fixed quickly with a few simple steps. In this guide, I will show you several ways to fix iPhone volume buttons not working. First, check if your iPhone case is blocking the volume buttons. Some cases, especially thick or older ones, can press against the buttons or prevent them from being pressed properly. Try removing the case and press the volume buttons again. Also check for dust or debris around the buttons and gently clean the area if necessary. If the buttons start working after removing the case, then the case was the problem. If volume buttons are not working for you, then you can change your iPhone's volume from the control center. For this, swipe down from the top right corner and then move the slider up or down. You can also change the volume from the Settings app. Just open Settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, and move the volume slider. Sometimes the issue may be related to your sound settings rather than the buttons themselves. Open the Settings app, then tap on Sounds and Haptics, and make sure Change with Buttons option is turned on. If this option is disabled, the volume buttons won't adjust the ringer volume. Toggle it on and test the buttons again. A simple force restart can often fix temporary software glitches affecting the volume buttons. For most newer iPhones, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once the iPhone restarts, test the volume buttons again. If you are unable to force restart your iPhone due to volume buttons not working, then you can also shut down your device from settings. Just go to the Settings app and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Shutdown button and then slide to Power Off. If none of these fixes work, the issue might be hardware related. Try pressing the buttons several times to see if they feel stuck or loose. If the buttons don't click properly or still don't respond, there could be internal damage. In that case, the best solution is to have your iPhone inspected or repaired by a professional technician or an Apple service center. And that's how you can fix iPhone volume buttons that are not working. In many cases, removing a case, adjusting sound settings, or restarting the device will solve the problems quickly. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.